Hey guys, welcome to Technotin. In this video, we will learn to swap two variables using a temporary variable. To understand this algorithm, let's take a real life experience. I have two buckets. A, which is storing 3 units of water, and I have another bucket B, which is storing 5 units of water. So we want to transfer or say swap the water between the two buckets. To do this, let's take a third bucket and we call it as temp. In the first step, I would transfer the water from A bucket into my temporary bucket. So upon transferring the water, my A bucket becomes empty and I store the 3 units of water into my temp bucket. In the next step, I transfer the water from my B bucket into my A bucket. Thus, my B bucket becomes empty and I store the 5 units of water in my A bucket. Now, my B bucket is empty and A is storing the 5 units of water and temp is storing the 3 units of water. In the last step, I would transfer the water from my temp bucket into my B bucket. Thus, my temp bucket becomes empty and I store my 3 units of water in the B bucket. As a result, I can see that I have swapped the water between the two buckets A and B. Now let's jump into writing the code for this algorithm. I initialize the two variables A with the value of 3 and my variable B with the value of 5. My corresponding memory model would look something like this. So my A is storing the value of 3 and B is storing the value of 5. Now let's create a temporary variable. Now I would follow step 1 and I would transfer the value of A into the temp variable. So now temp would store the value of A. So I assign the value of 3 into my temp variable. In the next step, I would update the value of A with the value of B. So I am here updating the value of A with the value of B. And in the last step, I would update the value of B with the value of temp. So thus we can see that we have updated A and B such that their values have been swapped. Let's take a look at the Java code for this problem. I have initialized the two variables A and B and I am doing a system out of the original values. Then I have initialized a temporary variable and assigned it with the value of B. In the next step, I am updating the value of B with the value of A, and finally I am updating the value of A with the value of temp. In the very end, I am printing the swap values of A and B. Let's execute this particular program and see if we get the expected output. As we see, the original values of A was 3 and 5, and after swapping, the value of A becomes 5 and the value of B becomes 3. Thanks for watching this video.